Are you tired of constantly battling colds and flus? Discover the natural way to boost your immune system with Nelcias Natural Herbs. Introducing our Immune System Builder Package. Guard against viruses naturally. Relieve that nagging cough the natural way with our Honey Liptus blend, free from harsh chemicals and full of soothing goodness. Banish coughs, congestion, and foam buildup with our specially formulated tonic. Breathe easy and naturally. Vitamin C with zinc. Power up your immune defense with our vitamin C and zinc combination. Strengthen your bones and enhance your immune function with our pure vitamin D pills. Unlock the power of elderberries, zinc, vitamin D with our youth immune support tonic. Add Nelcias Natural Herbs, nature's answer to a healthier you.